Percentage change. Imagine you were paid $16 per hour and got a $3 per hour salary increase. Obviously, now you earn $19 per hour. How do you respond to somebody who asks you what percent your salary increased by? It is clear that you have to express the change in salary as a percentage. For this, we use the general formula shown in the following on screen, where x is the original value while delta x equals x final minus x initial equals original, is the difference between final and initial value of the quantity involved in the study. The change delta x may be positive or negative. If it is positive, then the final value is greater than the initial one. In this case, we have a percentage increase. Otherwise, if the final value is smaller than the initial, original, one, we have a percentage decrease. We will discuss percentage increase and percentage decrease extensively in the following. In our example, we have an increase in salary by $3, delta x equals $3, so we don't need to know the initial and final values, as we already have the change, increase, provided. In addition, we know that the original value is x equals $16. Thus, applying the formula, we obtain the following shown on screen. Although $3 may seem a small amount of daily salary increase, it is actually high when considered against the original daily salary. Therefore, knowing the net increase or decrease of an amount is not always sufficient to draw a conclusion on how the situation changes. Let's consider an example to clarify this point. Example: two friends, Sam and Jack, had a simultaneous increase in salary while working for two different companies. Sam had an increase of $3 per hour while Jack had an increase of $4 per hour. Sam was originally paid by $15 per hour while Jack was paid by $22 per hour. Who had a higher percentage of salary increase? Write the answers at three significant figures. Solution: we denote the values related to Sam by x, and those related to Jack by y. Therefore, we have the following shown on screen. Thus, applying the formula of percentage change, we obtain for the percentage of salary increase for Sam, we have the following shown on screen. On the other hand, the percentage increase in salary for Jack is shown in the following on screen. Therefore, despite Jack receiving a higher net increase in salary than Sam, for greater than $3, Jack had a higher percentage increase in salary than Sam, 20% greater than 18.8%. That is all for lesson 5.3.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 5.3.2, percentage increase. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.